So guys, welcome to another video. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I am using my old camera. The reason I'm using my old camera is because my 4K camera, the 740HS Canon that I have, for some reason when it's 4K it crops it, so it feels like I'm like talking like this. And then when I change it to the regular 1080 full HD, like it's like about this size, but it's real yellow, so I need to work on the yellow balance of that. That's why if you've seen my previous videos, there's a lot of like yellow balance and everything, and I'm trying to work on fixing that, or how I can fix that. My old camera, which is the older model than the current one that I have, is not 4K, it's 1080, but I mean look, there's not any yellow. I can go as far as I can like this, so I can just, so I don't know, I think this is more of a vlogging cam. The other one I'm not too sure. Let's see how I can rock this out. So definitely a squat day today, as you can tell. Gonna meet up with Elena. I think the top set's gonna be 310 for 5, so it should be fun. So yeah, now let's head off to the gym. I gotta work on that teleportation. Oh, my bench hurts. My bench. We're gonna squat in the garage because it's nice and cool. It's like 60 degrees. So we're gonna squat, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I still gotta work on the teleportation. What do you think? Yeah. All right, let's get to it. First. Alright, going for 295. I don't know, in the previous videos I would always fail this before I hit my PR, so 295 has a special heart in my place, or has a special place in my heart. So if I can hit 295, still fearing because I failed it so many times before, like I got into powerlifting, and so now moment of truth, we're gonna do 295. Like I said, the top set is 310 for 5. So I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die or something, but we'll see. We'll see. Dead, dead, dead.
Oh my god!
For fun, I'm gonna try 315 per max. So. PR, the death was there. Rep PR. Definitely killed it at the gym today. And we did squats and we did bench. But I didn't want to film the bench because we were just having fun and whatnot. So we didn't really get a pump or too much with the squats. So we just wanted to bench and we didn't do accessories or anything. So why do I keep doing this? But yeah, so stay tuned for what's next to come. All right, ate good. Chicken Alfredo. I probably made it wrong. This ain't cooking with Peter, so I didn't give you the step-by-step instructions, but I tried and it actually came out good. Mom liked it. Her plate was empty and she ate the garlic bread and everything, so I still have a lot left. I made a lot, so I'm gonna take it tomorrow to work for meal prepping and everything, so that should be fun. I actually had a good squat day today, so I hope you enjoyed the edit. Yeah, I was also looking at my cruise videos and I noticed they went significantly up. Like I have 6.2K and then 1.3K and then like 1K. So I'm like freaking out. Like I guess people are paying attention to my cruise videos and stuff. So yeah, I think maybe the next 2 videos and whatnot, I'm probably gonna do some cruise things. I promised you guys some cruise tips and either vlogs or different things about the cruises and stuff. So probably the next video or 2 is probably going to be, I'm going to take a break from the gym for you guys. Well, I won't take a break from the gym, but I mean I'll give you a break from the gym for me, from y'all, from the videos, from the, yeah. So I'll do, I think like maybe I'll do 2 travel vlogs. The next 2 vlogs, I'll probably do a cruise one and another one, I'm not too sure yet. Maybe I'll do another cruise one. And if you want to have any questions or anything like that about a cruise or some kind of travel or anything like that, just leave it in the comment below and I might answer the question in the next video. Also, I noticed I have 47 subscribers, trying to make it to 50. If I make it to 50, that's cool. I don't really care about numbers. I know some people are like 1K or help me get to 1,000 or 1K or 10K or whatever. For me, I'm just documenting the stuff. I don't really care about numbers. I mean, I think I have 47 loyal subscribers. So as long as they're loyal, like you can have 10K subscribers and then like maybe like less than half even watch your videos or whatnot. So yeah, so where was I going with this? So yeah, 47 subscribers. If I can get 50 subscribers within the next 2 or when we reach 50 subscribers, which is 3 more, I'll do a wine Q&A. I like to drink red wine, so I'm just getting on camera. I like drink some Cabernet or Merlot and just answer some of you guys' questions, and if y'all have any questions and stuff like that. If not, I'll do like a wine. If I don't have any questions, I'll probably do like a wine facts, so I'll just like I'll drink some wine and give a couple of facts about me and my life and everything like that. So let me know what you guys think. 47, can we hit 50? We can. We'll work on that video. So if you guys have any other ideas, let me know. But for now, I'm gonna let you guys be. Doei.